Thanks for moving earlier.
No worries at all. Easy mistake to make.
Are you heading far today?
Yeah, I'm going up to Manchester.
Nice, business or just visiting?
Just visiting some friends. How about you?
I'm traveling for work.
Busy day then?
Always is.
At least the train's not too crowded today.
Yeah, that's a bonus.
Do you travel this route often?
Quite often, actually.
The Wi-Fi sometimes works, sometimes doesn't.
Sounds about right.
Anyway, nice chatting with you.
You too. Have a good trip.